Assalamu alaikum. How are you, friends? So today we discuss about the Commonwealth countries. These are the Commonwealth countries, former colonies of UK, Australia continent, Middle East subcontinent, African continent, and Canada. The history of Commonwealth: Britain with colonies all over the world. Beginning from 1867, Britain allowed colonies self-government. Colonies rise to domain status, internal self-government, independence in foreign affairs. Term Commonwealth referring to British Empire, first used in 1884. Declaration and commitment form modern Commonwealth of Nations. The Commonwealth of Nations. Balfour Declaration 1926. Dominion or autonomous equal communities within British Empire united by alliance to British Crown. Statute of Westminster 1931. Legal backing to domain arrangement is provided. London Declaration from 1949. British monarch become a symbol for free association including in Commonwealth countries. Singapore Declaration of Commonwealth Principle 1971 defined modern Commonwealth. Declaration modernized the Commonwealth. Harare Declaration 1999 reformed Commonwealth principle and stood against terrorism, pursued equality, participation by women, promoted sustainable development, promoted democracy. Millbrook Declaration 1995 firm action against members who did not uphold Harare principle. Suspension of participation at Commonwealth meeting, complete suspension from Commonwealth Ministerial Action Group, Rapid Action Force is created. Declaration modernized continue. Limassol Declaration 1993, Edinburgh Declaration 1997 and Funcourt Declaration 1999. Economic matter, globalization and people centered development. Column Declaration 2002 give a new vision and structure for Commonwealth in 21st century. Isorak Declaration 2000 stress poor stance. Who is Commonwealth now? 53 countries, 1.7 billion people, 2/3 without British monarch as head of state. These are the countries. Commonwealth members, date of membership, nation year, Bangladesh, Botswana, Canada, Guyana, Jamaica, Lesotho, Maldives, Mozambique, New Zealand, Papua Ghana, Sierra Leone, South Africa, Tanzania, Tuvalu. What are the Commonwealth core values? Democracy support, rule of law, government governance, freedom of expression, human rights, respect, diversity, human dignity, pluralism, tolerance, elimination, discrimination, poverty, promote people-centered sustainable development, overcome disparities living standard, challenge of small state and less developed country, strive for international peace and security, rule of international law, end of people smuggling, end of terrorism. Characteristic of Commonwealth countries compile with Commonwealth core value, have a constitutional link with a Commonwealth member state, accept Commonwealth procedure and convention, independent sovereign state, organization, voluntary membership, equal membership by all countries responsible for their own policies, a cultural consolidation and cooperation, direct work to common interest of Commonwealth, promote understanding and world peace. Regions of Commonwealth, parliamentary associations. 9 regions of Common Parliamentary Association: Africa, Asia, Australia, British Island and Mediterranean, Canada, Caribbean, America and Atlantic, India, Pacific, Southeast Asia. Language of Commonwealth: English official language and other language official. Other language: Commonwealth Secretariat. Detail: established 1965. Chief Executive is Secretary General. Work with executive member. Large entity in Commonwealth. Cooperate with civil society, NGO, private sector. Has 2250 staff. Responsibility: implement decision, election observer group, development assistance, foster member relationship, encourage democracy and cooperation, run event and training activities including politics, diplomacy, economic, education, health, gender, youth. What are the Commonwealth? Somali state. This is the map of Somali state. 32 countries, about 1.2 billion population. Organization in Commonwealth. Commonwealth Parliamentary Association. Conciliation among Commonwealth Parliament including subnational legislature, divide into region, organize annual conference. Commonwealth Women Parliamentarian, CWP, provide professional development opportunities for women's MPs. Commonwealth Local Government Form, CLGF, play a parallel role to that of CPA for local government. Commonwealth Foundation is strength civil society, democracy, increase exchange between organizations, improve standard of knowledge. Commonwealth Games, multinational multi-support event every 4 years. Commonwealth Business Council, devoted to business interest in Commonwealth. Commonwealth of Learning, a non-degree granting university for development and education access to Commonwealth countries. Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative encourages human rights but does not possess any executive power. Institute of Commonwealth Study, Commonwealth Policy Study Unit, think tank for the contemporary Commonwealth. The Royal Commonwealth Society provides information and education about the Commonwealth to all interested persons. Established 1971, replacing Commonwealth Prime Minister's meeting, held every 2 years. Reiterate the core value and principle of the association, review performance and global relevance. The modern Commonwealth machine, what keep it together? A common heritage of English language, law, parliament, democracy, but language and legal system have changed. Many have dropped the bicameral parliament system. Yet in spite of its variety, it is a potent force for harmonizing difference. A common heritage. Governing the Commonwealth, policy making, performance evaluation, publish decision, outline work, appoint Secretary General. Thank you. So hope you friends enjoy the nutshell introduction of Commonwealth. So please subscribe our channel.